Hi there, I thought I'd do a short video about a word to the wise. Hi, if you don't know me, I'm Jeanette from JJ Adventures in Traveling. I just recently heard from someone, not one of my clients, that they had booked their hotel rooms using a couple online websites. They accidentally booked non-refundable rooms, as well as accidentally booking 2 rooms for the same night. They had to contact the online websites, which of course were no help, and then they had to have the difficult discussions with the hotel manager to try to rectify the situation and not lose the money they spent on the double booked room. Now, they then proceeded to tell me to not use these online websites. Well, I told them that as a travel agent, I have much better suppliers. So if they had booked with me as a travel agent, I would have made sure that I never booked a non-refundable room. I would have also confirmed that we didn't accidentally book 2 rooms for the same night, as well as if a problem did arise, I would be the one contacting the suppliers, contacting the hotel managers to make everything correct for the customers. So to relieve that stress from my customers, they could just enjoy their vacation. So as you can see, it really does pay to use my free travel agency services. So please, if you have any future travel plans, contact me. I can help you out and give you free travel quotes.